I'm Vandana Tomar, your culinary expert. I run a cooking school by the name of Buon, Cibo. Today we are doing a very healthy and a delicious dip by the name of Chili barbecue dip. We need hung curd, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, peri-peri powder, garlic, sriracha sauce or chili sauce and salt to taste. We take the curd and blend it smooth. Now this step is really important, that you need to blend your curd before mixing all the ingredients. So my curd is kind of smoothened up. Now I'll put the barbecue sauce, about 2 teaspoons, mayonnaise, about 2 teaspoons to give that extra kick, peri-peri powder about half teaspoon, and if you really like it hot then some more, sriracha or chili sauce about 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of grated or crushed garlic. Do not cut it, I preferred using the crushed one, and salt to taste. That's it. And now we're going to smoothen up the dip nicely till all the ingredients are blended together and we get a nice and a creamy dip. Make sure you cover all the ends. So my dip is ready. The dip has to be creamy and it's supposed to have like an after effect of barbecue sauce, chili, that means the sriracha, and the peri-peri you could adjust according to your spice palette. And now how to serve this dip. I like to serve this dip with beautiful nachos. You can also do it with sticks of cucumber or like fresh peppers or any other chips. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Do subscribe to herzindagi.com. Thank you so much.